Global warming, more scientists agree, is causing climate change to occur rapidly. So what's the story of how the earth is warmed? What will the effects be, drought or flood or storm? Melting land ice would cause the seas to rise, flooding low-lying land, goodbye the Maldives. Ice is reflective, the less of it around, greater heat energy absorbed by sea and ground. The ocean currents would change their courses. For warming Gulf Stream, it may not work at all. Rising sea temperature will kill coral. I can't help feeling we must have burning coal and other fossil fuels, burning forests for farms as well. Let's face it, we don't have a planet B. The greenhouse effect happens naturally, trapping sun's heat on Earth, or else it's too icy. Greenhouse gases let higher wavelengths through, but absorbed by our rays, so heat is trapped on Earth. Enhanced greenhouse effect thought due to humans increasing GHGs within the atmosphere. Fossil fuel burning, intensive farming, even cows farting. We must stop burning coal and other fossil fuels, burning forests for farms as well. Let's face it, we don't have a planet B.